What it do, truckers? We back with another load. This load right here going to Louisville, Kentucky. Be my first time going to this spot. Right now, check the weather. Later on today, leading into tomorrow, Kentucky is supposed to get some snow. I'm hoping it ain't nothing too crazy, but you know, we'll see when we get there. So we about to go ahead and put in these macros, find our trailer, fuel up, and hit the road early. All right, y'all. See if we can find this trailer in a timely manner. Let me see something on this one. Now that I'm back here on the second left road where they normally be at. Why'd you be on the first one? I don't think neither one of those is over here. All right, y'all, we found the trailer. These trucks go behind me. What are you? Oh, he looking. Tug test. All right, we locked in. She still got a red light on it. They told me it was ready. Got to call and make sure. Oh, I think they finished. Yeah, the door closed. They finished. All right. All right, y'all. We finished up here. Next stop is Nashville, Tennessee. We're gonna fuel up there. Then we're gonna complete the rest of the mission after that. Hey, drivers. For one, let me say this. This is why I don't like driving during the daytime. My dispatch hit me up and said that the load was ready early. The pickup was 6 p.m. Whenever it's like 6 p.m., I normally pick it up at 8 because Atlanta traffic goes from like 4 to 7. Be traffic for like 3 hours, right? So this time I decided to pick it up early because Kentucky is supposed to snow in Kentucky. I don't know how bad the snow gonna be, so I'm trying to get there early as possible, get out of there early as possible before I get caught up in anything. But while I got y'all, real quick, while we in traffic, I want to have a conversation with y'all. I want to talk about something, real quick. Quick question. Do driving create unhealthy eating habits when you're a trucker? The reason why I ask that is because I'm not a big eater. I'm not a big food person. Like, I don't really like have appetites, like big appetite. Like when I wake up in the morning, I don't have an appetite for nothing but something cold to drink. But I done adopted the habit of drinking tea in the morning, green tea. So I probably won't eat my first meal until like 3-4 o'clock p.m. And that may be the only meal I eat for the whole day because I don't have an appetite before or after that, right? But when I'm on the road, I don't know what it is about driving that makes me want to eat all the time. I'm thinking it's because sometimes it can be boring, especially when you get out in the open road. Like if you ain't got nothing interesting to listen to, like a podcast or something like that, you get bored. And I always feel the need to get something to eat whenever I stop. Whenever I stop, anywhere I stop, I always get something to eat. And I ain't talking about like no snacks. I'm talking about food, hot food. And I'm like, I don't have nowhere near this type of appetite when I'm at home. When I'm at home, I promise you, I don't think about food. As soon as I get on this road, like right now, I got up at 8 o'clock this morning, right? Got to the yard like 12. Only thing I put in my system was some orange juice. That's it. I just need something cold to drink or some green tea. Didn't have an appetite. As soon as I started driving, I got on the road probably like a good 30, 45 minutes. Boom. All of a sudden, I want something to eat. So I just want to ask y'all, truckers, is that what goes on when you out here on the road? Like, the eating habits, the unhealthy eating habits, because even when I'm out here on the road, I don't like crave like fruits. And I'm a big fruit person. I love fruits. But I don't really crave like fruits and stuff. I be wanting a burger, fries. When I'm at certain Flying J's, I go to Denny's. I get me some French toast, bacon, sausage. Like, I go get food. And I'm like, dang, I don't eat nowhere near like this when I'm home. I don't care what I'm doing. I have no appetite for nothing. I may have an appetite twice out of a week to where I'm like, okay, I want this to eat or that to eat specifically. But other than that, whenever I get hungry, whatever I can grab, it may be some fruits, it may be a turkey sandwich, something like that, and I be good for the rest of the day. So truckers, I really want to ask y'all this. Is that a thing? Is that normal to have like an unhealthy eating habit when you out here on the road? Or is it just me? You know, is it just me? Because I done seen other YouTubers, trucking YouTubers, that say the same thing. They say that they eat the most when they're out on the road, more than they'll eat when they're at home. So I'm like, dog, I think it's just a trucking thing. I really do. So I just want to ask y'all that. So leave it in the comments. Is that normal or is it just me? And do y'all get the urge to eat every time you make a stop? Every single time. Every single time I make a stop, I be wanting something to eat. And I'm like, man, listen. Even if I pack a lunch, I still go in the truck stop and go into one of those restaurants inside the truck stop and get something to eat. And I'm like, what is it with that food that make you want to do that, man? They got to be putting something in it. So I just want to leave y'all with that question. Is that normal? Or do the same thing happen to y'all? Leave it in the comments, please. Right now, we got like another 15, 20 more minutes of traffic before we hit the open road. And like I said, we're gonna do a pit stop in Nashville, Tennessee, fuel up. Then we're gonna go ahead and finish up the drive in Louisville, Kentucky. Try to get up out of there as soon as possible to some safe parking before that snow really hit the ground. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a second. So, as y'all can see, I had to toss my hot dog. I had to toss my hot dog and my bun in the bag because it was raining. I don't know why they didn't like give me nothing for it, but it's all good. This would definitely be my first time ever actually eating truck stop food. Like, I've never eaten a hot dog, hamburger, or nothing from a truck stop, ever. So, you know, first time for everything, right? But this is what I be saying when I say being on the road creates unhealthy eating habits. And this is definitely one of them right here. So I'm gonna try my best to enjoy this while we finish up our 30-minute, and then we're gonna get back on the road to finish the drive. So I'll see y'all in a second. All right, truckers, we here. Y'all can see it's a lot of snow out here in Kentucky. See what they got for me. How you doing?
You're gonna have to turn around and go to the next gate.
What it is?
That's how you heard Kroger. It's literally just the next one. So
This right?
Yeah, you're gonna turn around, take a right, it's the literal next gate.
Oh.
So I'm gonna let you turn around here, take a right, out this gate, it's the next gate. You won't miss it.
Okay. That's it, wrong gate. So she said this gate was not the right gate. So I need to go back out, go to the right. See if the next right. Oh, I saw this sign, but I didn't know it was for me. Honestly. So I wonder, do I stop here and then go into the gate? Cause I don't know, this my first time here. So we finna go find out. Yeah, we gotta walk around the back. Wow, this slippery hill back here. All right. Yo. What's going on, brother? My first time here, so I don't know exactly where to go to.
You know where you drop the trailer off at? Let me know.
Oh yeah, don't be scared of that. Don't be scared. That ain't nothing but a couple thousand people watching.
Real?
Yeah.
Deadass?
That is. On YouTube though, on YouTube. Yeah.
You do like little videos and stuff?
Vlogging.
What's your account?
Guttah.Trucker.
You say Golden Trucker?
Guttah.
Okay.
Yeah. Guttah. Trucker.
Right there.
Yes, sir. All right. But
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
okay. Where do I park it at?
They usually have y'all park it in the IBIF lot.
IBIF.
Straight down that way. Just look on that map right there. Yeah, right there.
Okay, so okay. Thank you. All right. All right, truckers. We know where to park it at.
In 1/4 mile, arrive at 2000 Nelson Miller Parkway, Louisville, Kentucky, 40223 on the left.
We're talking past tense. All right, so he said we come down this way and drop the trailer. I don't know if it's anywhere down here. Let me take a look at the map one more time. I don't want to get it wrong. They be calling. I don't see nothing on the ground. He said I be nothing. He said we come down here. Come down. I bust this right. So is either one of these spots? So I guess this the paper with the empty at. J.B.Hunt 3173. All right, y'all. I guess we gotta figure it out. So let's go figure it out. I see spaces right here where I'm at. But I don't know if this exactly where it's supposed to drop, but I'm back down here where I started. That part right here. I guess so. All right, y'all, we found a parking space where I found out where to drop the trailer at. I had to go ask the second security officer. I really hate that we had to put so much gas into these junk. All right, that should be it. Go ahead and drop it. Head out. It's crazy because it ain't even that cold. Well, it ain't cold at all, unless I'm just dressed. Unless I'm just dressed real good for it, but shit. Damn. There you go. Definitely ain't got the right shoes for this. That's for sure. Boy, got me slipping and sliding all over the place, man. Now I'm about to fall. Sheesh. It's Lord. All right, truckers. We finally got our trailer. Took a little minute. I didn't know what the empty trailers was, man. I had to go back and ask what the hell? I had to go back and ask the security guard where it was after going to a location that they told me to go to, but somebody was giving me the wrong information. But nonetheless, we found the trailer. Now we gotta drive by like a good hour away to find some safe parking at this TA. Say they got 200 and some parking. So I'm hoping,
Turn left at the traffic light.
there's no struggle, there's no hassle with that, because it's not a lot of truck stops with a lot of parking spaces. So it'll be kind of hard. Yeah, shut up. So it'll be kind of tough if I don't get in TA, which I think I should. I should find a parking spot in TA. Over 200 and some parking. There's no way I don't find a parking spot there. Maybe way in the back, which I don't mind because I like to walk.
I-265 south toward I-64 east.
As I was saying, I don't mind because I be want to walk, get a little exercise in. So I may have to park all the way in the back somewhere. A lot of TAs with that many parking spaces, all the open spaces be in the back. So I tap back in with y'all once we touch down there. Like I said, it'd be like a good hour drive. Man, listen, truckers, I don't know what the hell this navigator was thinking about bringing me down this ice road. But yeah, this was not the plan. This was not the move at all. Like, what? See, this is when sometimes you just gotta go off your own instincts, because a navigator will do something like this, and I'm not understanding what. And it was the trucking navigator. It wasn't even the trucking navigator took me on a ugly road. Like, what the world, bro? Man, listen, we definitely ain't doing that right there no more. I don't know what the navigator was thinking about on that one, but that was not the play at all. Man, when I tell y'all the ice has taken over this truck stop, like, literally, done took over this truck stop, literally. I'm finna park right beside this guy right here. I'm not moving. Cause what? In the hell? I'm getting stuck. I'm getting stuck. Gotta make it do what it do. And we in there. All right, truckers, as y'all can see, we back then for the night. Real icy out here in Kentucky and Louisville. Still a lot of ice, still a lot of snow. It was a snowstorm warning for this week. Oh, matter of fact, this past weekend. So I think they may have got hit with it a little bit because this is a lot of ice, a lot of snow. As y'all can see, I couldn't even park properly. I was sliding all over the ice trying to get the truck to catch contraction, but you know, we here safe at a TA. It's 12:30. My clock should start back around 10:30, 11 in the morning. That's when we'll take off. Try to get back to the yard. I'm trying to get there by 8 p.m. I got something I'm trying to do. But nonetheless, whether it happen or not, as long as we get there safe. So, about to call it a night. As y'all know, probably finna go try to find something to eat. If not, I'ma chill. I really ain't even that sleepy. My body done got, used to being up all night due to these trips. So right now, I'm probably just finna watch some YouTube, probably jump on the PlayStation Portal till I fall asleep, so. Check back in with y'all in the morning, man. Man, listen, before I called it a night, I wanted y'all to see this. Look at all that ice, man. And there's so much ice out here, I barely can walk. People poured out on the lines. You can't even see the lines, man. People poured any kind of way. All this ice out here. This is what they sent me out here to do. And I got it done. So, we'll never complain. We're gonna accept the challenge. Make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? The safe way. As y'all can see, my parking definitely ain't the best. I couldn't see the line, it was too much ice. But I'm finna chill for the rest of the night before I slip and fall. Get back into this damn truck. Good morning, truckers. It is 10:33 in the morning. We got about 20 more minutes before our clock reset. And we get back on the road to get back to that yard. But last night I showed y'all what that ice looked like at nighttime and how crazy it was trying to park. How crazy it was trying to navigate through this parking lot, period. And this parking lot was packed, but check this out. Look, completely empty. Completely empty. You know, still full of ice, completely empty. As y'all can see, I parked better than what I thought I did. I got somewhere in the lines. I knew I wasn't gonna get all the way in there, I couldn't see it. But you know, did a little something. So what we about to do to kill a little time, about to go ahead and wash up. I'm about to go ahead and give me some ice. Cause like I told you, I don't really be having an appetite when I wake up, except when I'm out here on this road. But this morning, I'm not finna eat nothing. I'm not gonna eat nothing. I'm gonna just drink me some tea, get back to the house, and then I eat something when I get back to the house. I'm trying to cut out from eating all this fast food. That ain't even really what I do. You know what I'm saying? Except for when I'm out here on the road. That's all they have out here. And even when I pack a lunch, I still don't do well with just sticking with that. So right now, I'm gonna avoid the temptation, get me some ice, drink that with some tea, and we're gonna get back on the road, get back to the house, safe and sound. Now, the ice is out here on the off-roads, but the interstate is clear. Like, they do a real good job of treating the interstate. So, I wanna say this to all of my truckers that drive North Region, salute to y'all, man, because y'all deal with this on the regular. Me, when I first started driving, I started off in the snow. From Virginia to Ohio to Maine, I went through it. I don't want no problem with this type of weather. So I salute y'all to the fullest, because y'all do this on the regular with no problem. As y'all see me, I've been having to struggle with this a little bit, so this ain't really for me, so I try to keep it on the South region. So we gonna go ahead and get our day started, man. But I just want to salute to all the OG drivers that deal with this snow like it ain't nothing, because I'm not one of them. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see what I see, but I can't see nothing. Going around these mountains and these hills, gotta take your time. It can be a broke down car on the side or anything, so. Oh, well, there go one right there. Don't get caught looking at your phone or doing nothing but keeping your eyes on the road during these type of conditions. Literally cannot see nothing. Literally. I don't understand how these cars don't have on their hazards. But, all right, truckers, we made it back. Safe and sound. I already backed the trailer up to the dock. We about to go ahead and unhook. Call it a day. Dang, he's not missing. All right, trucker, that's it. Made it back to the yard safe and sound. Thank God for a safe trip. This has been an interesting trip, I can't say within itself. So if y'all rode this far with me, man, hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And last but not least, stay safe out there on that road, drivers. I'll see y'all on the next one, man.